am Giorgio.
I am Mariam.
And this is
Dreamy Travel Story.
Dreamy Travel Story!
We are here at El Paredon in Guatemala. So El Paredon is on the Pacific coast of Guatemala, and we are here just to chill. Hanging on the beach, go into a mangrove forest, eat, swim, drink some beer, and relax on the hammocks. El Paredon is very famous for its surf scene. So here on the sea you can see many people going on the surfboards. But just because we are not surfing, we are doing other activities like eating. There are few restaurants here because El Paredon is really tiny, but you can find very good food. As long as we are here on the coast, we are trying to eat as much fish as possible and much seafood as possible, which is absolutely delicious and for a very reasonable price. Our favorite restaurant in El Paredon for lunch is Sandra's restaurant. They have delicious garlic shrimps that we are still dreaming about. You get them for 30 quetzales, including 2 sides of your choice and tortillas.
Every single meal we had since we came, it's just been like seafood and fish. It's so good, it's so fresh, so yummy.
Our hostel Mi Casa en la Playa is the place to go for dinner. Delicious mackerel and garlic shrimps. If you are a coconut lover, head to Donde Dina. For 20 quetzales you get a big jug of fresh coconut water. Cheers!
This morning we woke up really early because we wanted to see the sunrise. The sunrise was amazing, it was super beautiful, and it's amazing also because there are a lot of pelicans in El Paredon. Both at the sunset and the sunrise you see them flying in front of the sun.
If you're not a surfer like us, don't worry because you can do some tour around. It's possible to go into a mangrove forest which is just on the river. We booked a tour at Sandra's restaurant, the place with the delicious garlic shrimps we told you about. A girl took us on a quad to the river in SIpacate Naranjo National Park. From here we went on a boat together with Manuel into the beautiful mangrove forest. have been to the Mangrove forest, which is in the canal that is just beyond the beach. It was a boat trip, so it was us plus the really sweet guy that was paddling. So the guy we had the tour with is called Manuel. You can find Manuel at Sandra's restaurant. And the tour cost 150 quetzales per 2 people, and it's about 1 hour. He brought us on smaller canals that were going into the mangrove forest, and it was really beautiful. We had the chance to see little crabs. They were really colorful, and then we saw many birds.
This is our last day in El Paredon. Tomorrow we're going back to Antigua. So we had like 5 nights here, and we stayed in a place called Mi Casa en la Playa, and it's just by the beach. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the thumb up for this video. We will see you in the next adventure somewhere in Guatemala.